Hello, Kip Dream Prep. I hope you are ready for your Hispanic Heritage Month Assembly. This is Mr. Hurlbert and second grade. Say hello, second grade. Hello. Get ready for some fun. We are going to start out with mindfulness.
Ready? Wait, let me get in the frame and go.
Welcome to KDP Hispanic Heritage Month Assembly.
In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, we're going to share a brand new breath called the butterfly breath. And here's how you do it. You're going to take your hands and hold your arms just like this. So here are your butterfly wings.
And no clapping.
No slapping, right. So butterfly wings, as you know, are beautiful and strong, but they don't make any sound. So you take a deep breath in through your nose, send it to your belly or your heart. Inhale. And release. And then we flutter our butterfly wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in again. Inhale. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Big deep breath. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And shake it up. There's one more place where we can do the butterfly breath. You can put your hands right here. Your thumbs can touch if you want. Let's practice fluttering our strong but very quiet and silent butterfly wings. 1, 2, just like this. Breathe in and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. One more deep breath. This time, imagine breathing into your heart space. Breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Breathe into your heart and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And shake it out. Bye.
Thank you, Mindfulness, for getting us started out. We are now going to move on to bulletin boards displays. Here are 3 awesome bulletin boards from classes all around KIPP Dream Prep. So fabulous. Thank you, teachers, for contributing to this contest. Up next, we have some animations that are Hispanic Heritage Month themed by the Digital Art Club. Here are some more bulletin boards. Thank you, teachers, for participating. These are fabulous. And now we have a special performance by theater.
There was once a prince who wanted a wife. His mother was Pinky. The prince was lonely. Here I am. I hope I can stay here. Ooh, I'm going to test this girl. And my mom went to her and for a small pea. If she's a real princess, she'll feel that it's there. She plays in the crisante and the bed for the guests. Here is your cama, a place that you can rest. Thank you. I will order our sheet. Ouch! It feels like a roca. The little crisante was 20 times big. Can be the reason the girl not going to sleep. I'm so tired. Wasn't that bad. Hi, is she a real princess? I think I expected. The princess rose with a golden anillo. They married that week in the royal castillo. Accepto, accepto. People say I do. And still to this day, the queen has no clue. The prince had put roca and stones in la cama. To help his true love, as the test of Queen Mama. The prince and his bride had equals galore, one for each mattress, and then had no more.
Wow, that was awesome. Thank you, theater. Now we're going to visit Frida Kahlo with first grade. We went to her house, La Casa Azul, and made beautiful blue houses and drew pictures of us visiting Frida Kahlo and all her animalitos. Here are some more awesome bulletin boards. Again, thank you, teachers, for participating in this contest, and we will be announcing the winner at the end of our assembly. Remember, the winner gets a pizza party. And now a read aloud with Miss Suarez.
This is Miss Suarez, as you all already know. Today I'm going to read you the book, What Can You Do with the Paleta? ¿Qué puedes hacer con una paleta? Did you know that the paleta was invented in Mexico? Who's from Mexico? Raise your hand. Very good. Who has family in Mexico? It was invented in a small little town called Tocumbo. Can you say Tocumbo? Tocumbo. It was invented in 1940. That is 80 years ago or more. Is it more? I think it might be more. By a family, and they put milk and cream and fruit, and then they put it in the refrigerator, because by that time they had invented refrigerators that you can keep in your house. And then it got frozen, and then what was made? A paleta. And are we happy that family in Tocumbo discovered the paleta, invented the paleta? Yes, because we love paletas, don't we? All right, here we go. What can you do with the paleta? ¿Qué puedes hacer con una paleta? Where the big velvet roses bloom red and pink and fuchsia. Where the accordion plays sassy and sweet. Where the smell of crispy tacos or buttery tortillas or juicy fruta floats out every window. Uh-oh, here it comes, here it comes. And where the paleta wagon, el paletero, rings its tinkly little bell, ding, 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 and carries a treasure of icy paletas in every color of the sarape. And this is a sarape. You can dance to the accordion, you can smell the tacos, but you can see the colors of the sarape, and you can see the different colors that the paletas come in. What can you do with a paleta? share your brother or your friend or your amiga. Or maybe learn to make tough decisions. Strawberry, coconut, cookies and cream. Which shall it be? Mango. Ooh. You can make new friends. Puedes hacer amigos nuevos. Or give yourself a big blue mustache. Or an orange mustache. Or create a masterpiece. But see, I don't think I would do that. Let it drip down and make different masterpieces because I'd be eating the paleta. Would you be eating the paleta?
Yes.
Yes! You can use one to cool off like mommy does. When it's hot. Is it hot outside? Yes. Theo once won a baseball game by offering one of the batters right when the ball was about to be pitched. And he's like, oh, paleta? And he's like, yes! Oh, you're out! Uh-oh. You can help La Señora at the fruit stand make it through the hard, long day with all the fruta to make the paletas. Sandía, plátano, piña, mandarina, melón, fresas, mangos. But I think the very best thing to do with the paleta is to say, lick it.
Lick it.
Bite it.
Bite it.
Chomp it down.
Chomp it down.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
And eat it all up. Oh, that sounds so cool. Where the accordion plays a sassy and sweet, where the smell of crispy tacos or buttery tortillas. Our juicy fruit, la fruta deliciosa, where fruta floats out of every window. And where the paletero rings its tinkly little bell, ding, 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 and carries a treasure of icy paletas in every color of the zarape. That is my barrio. Ese es mi barrio. Con las paletas y el paletero. The end. El fin.
And now we're going to take a look at our wonderful t-shirt contest winner. Here's the wonderful t-shirt design. And the winner was our 4th grade student, Sergio De Leon. Congratulations, Sergio. And our runner-up was Valeria Barrasso in 2nd grade. Thank you so much, Sergio and Valeria, for entering. You can collect your prizes in the art room by the end of today. Here are some honorable mentions. Everyone that entered the design contest, you did amazing, and thank you so much for entering. And here's our final look at bulletin boards. Thank you, teachers, again for entering. All these bulletin boards turned out to be amazing. And the winner is Miss Vargas's class. Thank you so much for entering. You guys got a pizza party. Woo! And now we're ending today's assembly with dance.
This piece is dedicated to those who took the journey. While they wait in long lines, legs shifting, fingers growing tired of holding handrails, pages of paperwork. Give them patience. Help them to recall the cobalt Mediterranean with the green valleys of vineyards and sheep. When people's words resemble the buzz of beehives, help them to hear the music of home, sung from balconies overflowing with woven rugs, and bundled vegetables. At night, when the worry beads are held together in one palm and cigarette lit in the other, give them the memory of their first step onto solid land. After much ocean, air, and clouds, remind them of the phone call back home saying, "We arrived. Yes, thank God we made it. We are here."
Carnaval del barrio. Carnaval del barrio. Carnaval.
Carnaval
del barrio.
barrio.
Carnaval,
Carnaval
del barrio.
barrio.
We don't need electricidad. Get off your butt, avanza. Saca la maraca, bring your tambourine. Come and join the parranda. Hey! Carnaval del barrio. Carnaval del barrio. Carnaval del barrio. Carnaval del barrio.
Maybe tonight is our last night together. However, how do you want to face it? Do you want to waste it when the end is so close you can taste it? Y'all could cry with your head in the sand. I'ma fly this flag that I got in my hand. Arriba esa bandera, alzala donde quiera. Can we raise our voice tonight? Can we make a little noise tonight? Esa bonita bandera contiene mi alma entera. In fact, can we sing so loud and raucous they can hear us across the bridge and needs the caucus? Arriba esa bandera, alzala donde quiera. From Puerto Rico to Santo Domingo, wherever we go, we rap our people and a beat go. Esa bonita bandera contiene mi alma entera. Vanessa, forget about what could have been. Dance with me one last night in the hood again.
¡Uepa! Arriba esa bandera, oye, y cuando yo me muera, entiérrame en mi tierra del barrio. Alza la bandera, alza la bandera, puertorriqueña. Adiós, adiós, adiós. Alza la bandera, la bandera, la bandera, la bandera, la bandera. Alza la bandera.
Wow, that was beautiful. Well, guys, that's it for our Hispanic Heritage Month Assembly. Thanks for watching. Bye.